Hi, my name's Nadia Dyson from Luxury Locations, and today I'm in English Harbour, the hub of the yachting community. I'm here to show you South Point Hotel. South Point has 23 units. It has a private swimming pool, a gorgeous beach, a fantastic restaurant, and the most amazing views of the harbour. I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom penthouse and a 1-bedroom suite. Let's go take a look. As you come into the property, you have this great big kitchen with huge vaulted ceilings. It has all modern appliances, oven, hob, cappuccino maker, and a breakfast bar. Coming off from the kitchen, you come into a very long living room area which has awesome views out to the ocean. This area here is the living room with the TV, then you come off to the master bedroom, which has an ensuite bathroom, walk-in wardrobe and a balcony. Then as you come this way, you have your dining table, another little snug just for reading, and then you have your second bedroom, which also has ensuite bathroom, walk-in wardrobe and a balcony. I'm now standing outside on this huge sun deck with spectacular views over the harbour. This really is an awesome place to hang out. There's multiple sunbeds, tables and chairs, or just a couple of seats for relaxing. This is one of the 1-bedrooms on the upper floor. Come take a look. As you come in, you have a nice little entrance hall, and then you come into this gorgeous kitchen, which has all the appliances, oven, hob, and even a dishwasher. I'm standing here now in the living room area, which has a nice flat screen TV and a Bose stereo. This is the central part of the unit, and to my right you have a great big patio with views onto the ocean, and to my left you have your gorgeous bedroom with an ensuite bathroom.